Meaning of infective.
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 Infective. The adjective infective refers to something that is capable of causing or transmitting infection, such as a virus, bacterium, or other pathogen. When a person or animal is exposed to an infective agent and becomes infected, their body may experience a range of symptoms, from mild illness to severe disease or even death. Effective measures for preventing the transmission of infective agents include good hygiene practices, vaccination, and prompt medical treatment. Recognizing the potential risks posed by infective diseases and taking appropriate precautions can help to protect individuals and communities from the spread of infection.